我去了中国. The learning outcomes for this video are to use 了 to describe a completed action and use may or mayo to talk about the negative form of a completed action. As you go through this video, make sure that you fill in the worksheet, either a printout or you can access this on OneNote in your class notes section. So make sure that you also use the pause button so that you can give yourself some time to think and some time to repeat the examples out loud to yourself. So the first example, a completed action. 昨天我去了海边. If this action's been completed, how do you think you would translate that? Yesterday, I went to the beach. So a completed action is kind of about talking in the past tense, but Chinese doesn't actually have past tense. They use this 了 to show that an action's been completed. The second example, 中文怎么说? Yesterday I went to the city. You have a go. 昨天我去了城市. 对. Next example, 今天我看了书. 英文怎么说? Today I read a book or looked at a book. 看了书. Your turn. Today I bought a book. 中文怎么说? 今天我买了书. Have a look at the 了. Whereabouts is it placed in the sentence? Here are some notes to help you. So when placed directly after a verb, 了 indicates an action has been completed. So if you look at these examples, have a look where the verbs are. For example, the first one, 去 means to go. The 了 is placed straight after it. 去了海边. Or I bought a book, 买, to buy something. 买了书, bought a book. Now verb objects using 了. So what is a verb object? So you use them all the time. You've learnt them before, but you might not have known that you're talking about verb objects. So for example, these are some verb objects. 买东西, 唱歌, 打篮球, 玩滑板. So what is it? So first of all, we've got a verb, and then we've got an object, so 买, to buy something, 东西, stuff, things. In all of these examples, we have a verb 唱, to sing, 歌, a song, 打, to play, 篮球, basketball, 玩, to play, 滑板, skateboard. So all of these are verb object constructions. So how do we say that we've completed these actions? Whereabouts do we put the 了? Have a look back at the notes. So we need to place directly after a verb. So the first one, I bought stuff, I went shopping. 我买了东西. See that the 了 goes straight after the 买. Next one, how do we do it? 唱了歌, 很好. 第三, 打了篮球, played basketball. 第四, 玩了滑板, played on the skateboard. 很好. Have a go at these ones. 踢了足球, 看了电视, 听了音乐, 上了网. Notice that the 了 goes straight after the verb. How about a negative completed action, saying that you didn't do something? You didn't complete something. Here's an example. 昨天我没吃鸡肉. 是什么意思? Yesterday, I didn't eat chicken. How about this one? I didn't eat bread yesterday. 中文怎么说? Have a think. 昨天我没吃面包，很好。第三，我今天没有唱歌，是什么意思？ Today, I didn't sing a song. I didn't sing. And 第四 I didn't listen to music today. 中文怎么说？今天我没听音乐。很好。So when saying something didn't happen, use the negative structure. So the negative structure, to make the negative, you need to use may or 没有, not 不 before the verb. Okay? So 没 or 没有. See number 3. 我今天没有唱歌. You can either say 我今天没唱歌 or 今天没有唱歌. Most people would just usually use the may, but 没有 is the long version. So these are saying that an action didn't happen in the past. We don't use 不 because that's talking about the present. 很好. So to follow up this video, log on to Quizlet and review hobbies and sport so we can talk about these things in class and talk about things that we've completed in the past. And write down any things that you're not so sure about in this video so that we can discuss them in class. Feel free to look back over the video again, watch it again, think about some examples, write them down, write down any questions that you have, and we'll talk about it in class tomorrow. 谢谢，再见。